Alright, what's up guys? It's been a while. Today I have my car here. I bought a car a while ago. I bought a TRD front bumper. Pretty nice. So we're gonna be taking the bumper apart and adding the new bumper, and let's see how it turns out. Alright, so we come over here. You gotta take this screw right here off. This one right here. This little, just like a pin that goes, well, pushes in. And we gotta take this one and this one off. Then I'm not sure, but I think there's some in here that's attached to it, and you gotta take those off. Alright, so now we gotta cut the wires right here. And right there, I disconnected the light bulb already. Cut that shit. Cut that shit. Oh wait, you hit my nose. Alright, so we got the stock bumper off. We gotta take out the license plate and put on the new bumper. Then I gotta take these right here to side. I forgot what they're called. Side markers off and put on the new one as well. Damn! Get the head out of here. Damn, we got the new bumper right here. Damn, this thing, I wonder how it looks like outside the bag. Hold on. There you go. This is black, but I'm gonna paint the car either way, so don't worry about that. It's pretty good condition. Wow, dang, this thing is murder black. Look at that. Murder is gonna match my rims. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. So I don't really care about the color. That's about it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know when, but hopefully it'll be soon. So yeah.